3D microscope installation guide. Use a wrench to loosen the screws of the stand. Install the stand on the base. Remove the cover from the stand. Put the anti-slip ring on the stand. Put the lifting part on the stand. Put the 3D lens on the lifting part. Tighten the screws. Align the 3D switching head with the lens and install it. Connect to the light source control. Take the light source, loosen the screws, and install. Remove the cover from the bottom of the camera and attach the camera to the lens. Connect the camera power supply HDMI cable. Finally, insert the mouse and USB flash drive.